We're stuck in a Fortnite storm. What are you doing? Bro, I'm about to catch me some lightning, bro. Catch me some lightning.
See if you can find some.
Wait, what are you doing?
I can't catch any.
I'm a freaking no scope.
Boom. Freaking Fortnite hunting rifle and stuff. Here, hold this real quick.
Here, let me hold it.
Bro, like the lightning and the thunder sound so
Do
close.
you have a YouTube channel?
Yeah,
Then post it on your YouTube.
I am. I'm just trying to catch me some lightning. But I can't catch it. I only catch the sounds. How come that red car looks like it's all... Yeah, the red car looks like it's soaked. Like all these cars looks like it's getting soaked. But when we stand out, there's like no rain. And then over there, it's like it's hitting hard, but there's no rain still.
Who
Mother.
wants to pretend they're zombies? Or something like that.
I don't know. I missed it! It's mostly coming from over here. Well, there's a light.
What's wrong with my feet? Like, legit, look at my hand.
What happened?
I don't know.
I think you touched poop or something.
No, I didn't.
Dude, it's raining hard over here! Oh, frack, I missed it. Crap, bro. Bro, I can't catch any. I only catch the sounds. Did y'all see that? It's raining hard over here too. Is it raining hard? Do you feel it? Hold on, what if you Dude, yeah, it is raining hard right here. Yeah, right here, bro, you feel it. You can feel it. Okay, I'm going back in, bro. I don't trust this stuff. I don't trust this, bro. It's raining hard.
Y'all guys gonna go back?
Woo!
I might go get my jacket.
Bro, I want to go check this out. Bro, I need to. Oh! Bro, it's raining so freaking hard. I mean, yeah, but look, it rains hard right here. I'm getting wet.
Even your freaking phone!
I don't care.
Holy cow!
I mean, I kind of care. I'm cleaning my phone right now. Bro, I got wet on my hand, Burley. Huh? Dude, I don't know if you can see that rain though.
Oh, it's raining. It's not even raining hard over here.
Yeah, it is. How can you not see that
Mom,
stuff?
that's not your car. That's my car.
It's not your car. Dude, I don't know if you can see that light though, bro. I don't know. We're in a storm! It's a Fortnite storm! Get to the circle! Dude, it's legit raining super hard. Bro, you can hear the plastic going ding, 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 ding. Have y'all seen that video where that dude's over here?
Doesn't survive.
I don't know if y'all saw that light though. It went inside. Oh my god. That was loud. Bro, that was loud.
Jacob, get your butt over here.
Jacob, get over here. Dominic's at his house, I think. Yeah.